Alright, I got this right here. I'm going to go ahead and try to take this apart and let's see if we can figure out what went wrong with it. I mean, you can see the ball inside as it opens and closes. And actually, when I closed it, that caused more of an issue. Let's take the top off this sucker and then see if we can figure out what the issue is here. Doesn't really take much. Like I said, when I ended up tightening it, I wanted to make sure that it was tight, but not overly tight. Okay, so you got a plastic ring, plastic washer right here, and then actually, this one, you can see where the crust is, where the water was leaking. So this is just going to be complete junk because there's no way to service it. It's just complete trash. So I'll end up replacing the other one too. I don't like this. This is just complete garbage.